Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. If you are leaving a team, otherwise known as offboarding from a team within Command, there are a few things you might want to pay attention to with your contacts to make sure you don't lose any data. So I want to show you that today. So again, if you're leaving a team, this is what you may want to do with your contacts to make sure you're not losing any of those contacts and you'll be able to retain them within your own database. So we're in Command. We've toggled over by clicking our name in the top right to our team account. So just make sure that one is selected. And then we'll go over here to our Contacts tab on the far left. Now, it will depend on what permissions you currently have with the team as to what you can and cannot do with your contacts. The account I'm showing you this in today only has standard permissions, which is the most limited. So I will show you your options with that. If you have enhanced or unlimited permissions, you'll have more options than what you'll see within this account. I'll try to show you the differences as we go along. So the first thing is you may want to export a copy of your contacts from your team account. That way you have the data on a spreadsheet as a backup. This file, the export file, can also be reformatted and imported into your personal command account as well if you would like to add them to that database. In order to generate that exported file, you can come right here to the top right and click on the three dots and choose Export All Own Contacts. This again is exporting just a copy of all of your contacts that you own on your team account. Give that a click. You'll get a banner that it's being processed. You can click the refresh button on your browser, and that should give you a new notification bell right here and it show you that your team contact export is complete. And you can click this download link right here to download that file. Again, that file can be reformatted and imported into your personal command account. Reach out to us if you would like us to help you with that. We'd be more than happy to. Now that is for your owned contacts. If there are contacts where you are the assignee or collaborator, while you may be able to export a copy of those due to your increased permissions level, we do recommend always speaking with your Rainmaker first, as they can actually change the ownership of those contacts over to you. And then that export option I just showed you will work. Another option to move your contacts is to actually do it one by one and to change the account that they're currently working with. However, please know that if you choose this next method I'm going to show you, the team tags will be removed. The team tags will be removed if you follow this next procedure. Okay, so the first way I showed you to export those contacts is the best way, and we'll let you do it in mass. But if you do only have one or two contacts and you want to just move them over to your personal account, you can click on the contact's name, click on the three dots here, and choose Change Account. You'll have to confirm which account that you want to move these contacts to, like this is a personal account. So we'll choose Change Account. You'll get a banner that it was successful. And now you'll see that that contact is no longer on the team contacts or team account. But if we swap back over to the personal account, we should see that contact here. Okay. Again, with that particular method, the team tags will be removed. If you use the export option I first showed you, you will be able to retain even the team tags on those contacts. Let's swap back over to the team account. Now that you've exported a copy of your contacts so that you know you have that backup data, We do recommend archiving your contacts from the team account so that any automated marketing that's currently set up, like smart plans or email campaigns, will be disconnected and they'll no longer receive any marketing from the team. In order to do that, you'll want to click either the name beside that contact's name or select all. And if you're not sure if you're looking at only your contacts, you can always go to your filters and choose, let me minimize some of these here so you can see it, owner and owned by you. So select that and you can click apply. It will show you the contacts that you currently are the owner of on your team account. You can select all, and from your bulk action menu, right here, you can choose archive. When you do choose archive, it will ask you to confirm, and you can choose archive. This moves your contacts into the contact archive on the team. Again, based on your permissions, you may also have the option to permanently delete those contacts. If your standard permissions, or excuse me, if it is standard permissions that you have on the team, as long as you owned the contacts, you will also have the option to permanently delete them from the team. So you can come here to your name, click settings, command settings, contacts, and contact archive. Now, notice that one of the contacts that's back here in the archive, it's grayed out to be able to restore or trash, delete permanently. That's because, again, standard permissions. If you have enhanced or unlimited, you will have permission, or excuse me, you will have access to delete contacts permanently from the archive. We definitely recommend being super careful here and maybe speaking with your Rainmaker first to make sure you are not accidentally permanently deleting anyone else's contacts from the archive. If you have standard permissions, you will only see the option to either restore or delete on the contacts that you were the owner of. So, like this guy, we were the owner of that contact. We made sure we had a backup export copy. We archived him. And now we can just come right here and choose the trash can to permanently delete him. Please note there is no undo button once you permanently delete. So that information will be gone. We just hit refresh on our browser so you can see that contact is now permanently deleted out of the team account, and it should be good to go. All automated marketing will have been disconnected just by having him archived. And now by deleting it, we just know that that data is no longer available on the team contact. If you have any questions at all about this process, or again, if you'd like us to help reformat that exported file and import it for you back into your personal account, please reach out to us via email. That is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.